Hey guys, so here's a video I put together of sailing and diving for friends and family to see what we get up to in Mauritius on the days that we're not working in the boatyard. So most of our days we spend very hot and sweaty restoring a worm that was given to us as she was sinking. So she is our shipwreck. This project my boyfriend and I are working on is called #SavingToFiki. And if you would like to see the progress, click the link below. So here I am in Grand Bay, Mauritius. And in this video, you will see the things we do and what we get up to on our days off, which are our hobbies as well. I love this little beach because I collect a lot of awesome shells here that I make for jewelry, such as this little guy. And in the afternoons, after working very hard on the boat, we come here for a swim. This water is not always very cool because it's warm, but it's still refreshing sometimes. And you can see over there all the boats. Here's another cool little shell. I'm gonna take him home. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy this video and stay tuned for more videos coming of #SavingToFiki and our adventures across the Indian and Atlantic Ocean on a job. Cool. I'll stop this thing. GoPro, stop recording. Back at Condamere. This is a racing sailing boat called Spry. Sails are down at the moment. Sails up to about 8 to 10 knots. Super clear water. Oh yeah. The guys are getting ready to go and dive at the bottom of the boat to give it a bit of a clean up. Got diving tanks for them so they can stay down there longer. Now I gotta go and find some of those fins. So nice and cool today in the water. It's clear. It's been super hot. The other day at the boatyard it was like 38 degrees and yesterday was also super hot. So it's so nice to be in cool, clear water again. Hi, baby. Yeah?
Okay.
Okay, so here we are in the corner. Condominium Cove. And the guys want to be crazy and do a job.
smooth.
So I hope you guys enjoyed that. We had an awesome fun day. The link will lead you to Instagram, where there will be photos and short little clips showing the progress of Te Whiki and more of what we get up to in Mauritius. Enjoy!